Welcome back. The del keyword is a powerful but often misunderstood tool in Python. It stands for delete, and its primary purpose is to remove names or references from the program's scope. This often leads to the deletion of the underlying object from memory. 1. Deleting a variable reference. When you use del on a variable, you are deleting the name that points to the object, not necessarily the object itself. Once the name is deleted, trying to access it will result in a name error. If the object has no more references pointing to it after the deletion, Python's garbage collector will automatically remove the object from memory. 2. Deleting items from sequences. The del keyword is one of the standard ways to remove elements from mutable sequence types, such as lists and dictionaries, using either an index or a key. To summarize, the del keyword is used to remove a name from the current namespace. When used on sequences, it removes elements based on index or key. If the underlying object has no more references, it is marked for garbage collection. This completes our look at individual special types. Our next lecture, 0505, Data Type Summary. See you there.